Hello everyone! Today we are going to understand the Point Cloud Filter tool and learn how to use it in the Surveying GeoWorkspace desktop application. The Point Cloud Filter tool is used to process and classify point cloud data, helping us to separate ground points from non-ground points and improve the overall accuracy of our data. Now, let's start the step-by-step process. First, open the Surveying GeoWorkspace desktop application and choose your working interface. Then switch to the new UI. After switching to the new UI, you will see the post-processing section at the top. Click on Post-Processing, then click on Add Layer and select Point Cloud. Now, you need to add your point cloud layer. After adding the point cloud layer, on the left side, you will see the fifth tool, which is the Point Cloud Filter tool. Click on it. Now, the tool window will open. In the input layer, you will see your selected point cloud data. In the output section, you can choose the file location or keep it as default. Now, move to the options section. Here, you will see different filter types such as SMRF, Simple Morphological Filter, CSF, Cloth Simulation Filter, PMF, Progressive Morphological Filter. These filters are used to classify the ground and non-ground points in different ways. SMRF is commonly used and provides reliable results for most datasets. CSF works based on a cloth simulation approach and is useful for complex terrains. PMF is another method used for gradual filtering of point cloud data. Now, under the settings, you will see two options, Preset and Advanced. For now, we will keep it on Preset, which uses the default settings. I will select SMRF with preset settings. If you want more accurate or customized results, you can switch to Advanced and change parameters such as Scalar Slope Angle Threshold Window Size. After setting everything, click on the Run button. Once the processing is completed, your filtered point cloud will be generated. You can save your output layer by right-clicking on the output layer and saving it in the same folder. In the next video, we will learn about the point cloud conversion tool.